In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OpenSea. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the key areas of the site so you can explore NFTs, keep an eye on tokens, and understand where to find important marketplace features. First, open your browser and head to the official OpenSea website. Always double check the URL to avoid lookalike sites, since the Web3 space can attract phishing attempts. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see navigation options across the top that lead to the main sections we'll cover. Start by clicking on Collections. This is where you browse curated sets of NFTs from creators and communities. Use the search bar and filters to narrow down by chain, price range, categories, and traits. When you open a collection page, look for the floor price, number of items and owners, and recent activity to get a quick sense of demand. Verification badges can help you identify official collections, and the activity chart offers a snapshot of how a project is trending over time. Next, click on Tokens. This section focuses on fungible tokens that are relevant to the OpenSea ecosystem. You can explore token pages to see market data and basic information. Remember that token prices are volatile. Take a moment to review price movements and liquidity. If you're building a watch list for research, treat this section as a starting point to understand what assets are active around the marketplace. Now, click on Swap. Here, you can review the interface for exchanging one token for another. You'll typically choose the token you want to give and the token you want to receive, then review the quoted rate, estimated fees, and slippage settings. Network fees vary by chain, and you'll need the appropriate gas token to complete any transaction. Before confirming a swap in your wallet, double-check the token contract, the amount, and the minimum received to avoid costly mistakes. Head over to Drops. This area highlights live and upcoming NFT releases. Open a drop page to read the project overview, mint windows, allow list details, and artwork previews. Use this section to plan ahead, review the roadmap, and assess the team's credibility. If reminders are available within your account, setting them can help you avoid missing mint times. Click on Activity to see a real-time feed of listings, sales, mints, transfers, and other marketplace events. Filter by collection, event type, chain, or time range to focus on what matters to you. This is a powerful way to gauge momentum, find emerging trends, and spot unusual spikes in volume. Finally, click on Rewards. Here you can review any points, perks, or seasonal programs offered by the platform. Check eligibility, claim windows, and terms so you don't miss out on benefits tied to your regular activity. That's the tour. Explore these sections at your own pace, stay cautious with links and approvals, and you'll navigate OpenSea with confidence.